Did you know some of your daily habits could be slowly destroying your kidneys, and you might not even know it? Unlike your heart or lungs, your kidneys won't scream in pain until it's almost too late. Today, we're exposing the 10 common habits you do every single day that are silently damaging these vital organs. Stick around, the 7th habit will shock you. Overusing painkillers, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, reduce blood flow to the kidneys. When starved of vital oxygenation, cells begin to die. Not drinking enough water, dehydration leads to toxin buildup. These toxins can cause permanent kidney damage over time. Too much salt forces kidneys to overwork, raising blood pressure. The hypertension further reduces blood flow to the kidneys, causing a vicious cycle. Holding your pee increases UTI risk and kidney pressure. Always try to pee as soon as you feel the urge. Excess sugar, this has been linked to kidney disease and diabetes. Diabetes is the biggest kidney killer. High-protein diets overwork the kidneys, keeping them filtering heavy urea waste all day. Long-term keto diets are the worst culprits in this category. Smoking and vaping, they slow blood flow to kidneys, damaging tissue. Again, without oxygen, kidney cells die. Alcohol overload, excessive alcohol consumption causes dehydration. This puts a long-term strain on your liver and kidneys at once. Ignoring UTIs, urinary tract infections, is another cause of slow kidney damage. Untreated infections can permanently scar kidneys. Finally, did you know that poor sleep disrupts kidney repair cycles? Studies show that 6 to 8 hours of sleep per day is key to long-term kidney health. Now that you know these silent kidney killers, which habit surprised you the most, and which one will you quit first? Drop a comment below, and share this with someone who needs to see it. Remember, your kidneys don't warn you until it's too late. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.